How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the brand new Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus in the Sandstone orange color. We also got a couple of cases from Samsung as well. We got the standing grip case from Samsung official, and we also got the vegan leather case from Samsung official. We're going to be taking a look at these and do a little first impressions and walkthrough of the brand new Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. Very excited, just got this in today, and let's go ahead and jump down into it. Before we do, make sure you guys are subscribed, that way you don't miss content on this particular phone. So let's go, let's get started. Alright, so here we are with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus in the Sandstone orange. Very excited about this. Unfortunately, I still got my S24 from T-Mobile that has been delayed. That is coming in the gray color. But for now, we got this, and we also got a couple of cases, official cases from Samsung that we are going to take a look at. That way you guys can get an idea of these cases. We got the vegan leather case and the standing grip case from Samsung as well. So let's go ahead and jump down into it. Unboxing of these videos or these devices really aren't much, but here we got the actual colors up here, the exclusive colors, and you could also see a little shadow of that Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. Here is the back, all the stuff that you would get in there, which is not much. You get little pull tabs, which is quite nice. So let's go ahead and do that right there. And moment of truth, Sandstone orange. So first and foremost, you get all your, well, not all your, but you get the minimal of stuff on here: a cable, some paperwork, and a SIM ejection tool. And that is all she wrote for stuff that you get in the box, which is pretty darn sad. So here we got the Sandstone orange, which is, I have to say, really nice. This is sort of a gold with an orange on there. This thing looks absolutely gorgeous and feels freaking beautiful. Feels just like an iPhone would, with those flat edges on there. Taking a look at the cameras, and you get the Samsung logo on the back. Let's go and take this sticker off, put that aside. And you get your flash right there. This side, you get nothing. Let's go ahead and take off and peel off this part. And there we go for that. This thing feels amazing, guys. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. Is there any battery in here? Is this charged? And there we go, we got a charge. So very nice. So let's go ahead and take a walk around the actual device. As far as the cameras on the rear, you get a 3-camera setup. You get a 50 megapixel main sensor, you get a 10 megapixel telephoto lens, and you get a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens. You also get your flash right here on the top, which from last year, the flash was just a little bit higher on the S23s. It is right in the center of these two cameras right there. You get your power button and your volume rocker, which power button is actually in a good spot for me, at least. Volume just a little bit higher up, but actually pretty good for reachability. You get a 5G antenna band down here. Going on to the bottom, you get your SIM tray, microphone, USB Type-C, your speaker. Going on over to this side, you get absolutely nothing. And going on over to the front of this beautiful display, look at the bezels of this display. Absolutely all uniform, no chin, no forehead. They are all symmetrical with a tiny hole punch cut out on the top. So very nice. So we're gonna go ahead and set this up and continue on with the video, so you guys don't go anywhere. That way we could take a look at the cases as well. Alright, so going on over to the fingerprints, you get your ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor. So let's go ahead and set that up and see exactly how fast that is. So set a secure screen lock first. So we're going to go ahead and go with my typical pin, that I always go with. Trustworthy pin. Now let's go ahead and register the fingerprint sensor, shall we? So you're just gonna pretty much place your finger on there, and you get really nice little haptic feedback on there. So it's a nice little vibration, and the haptics on here, just typing stuff, is actually quite solid and pleasing. No springiness. It's a nice little thump to it. So the haptics on here, really good in my opinion. So fingerprint has been done. Let's go ahead and hit next. I will add some more later on as well. Show on fingerprint on the always on display. Let's go ahead and continue that. Unlock animation when unlocking. And let's go ahead and continue on with the setup, shall we? You got your Google stuff on here to set up. And then now it's probably going to ask for your Samsung account. And now we got the advanced intelligence, which is all of their AI stuff that we get on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. It is going to enhance your communication to your phone, Samsung keyboard interpreter, Samsung Notes, voice recorder, Samsung internet, and photo editor. So these are all going to be associated with your Galaxy AI stuff, hence your advanced intelligence stuff. So now it's going to be checking everything. I do not want to set up my wallet, and I just hit continue. Son of a bitch. Let's go ahead and hit skip, agree, and let's go ahead and click on the dark. And unfortunately, this does not have that anti-reflective display that is on the Ultra. As you can see right here, very reflective, but it is what it is, and it is okay. So now we are in the device, and we get a nice little wallpaper to sort of go with this sort of sandstone orange. It looks very gold to me, especially the railing here. So it looks like a very nice gold. I don't know if the camera's picking it up any, but it's not doing it any justice. Like right here in the hand, it looks more like a I don't know, like a palette, like a makeup palette or something, a foundation or something. It just looks very smooth with the gold accents on there. So yeah, very nice. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, 12 gigabytes of RAM. You do get a nice 6.7-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED display, and it is at 1440 this time around. So no more 1080p for the Plus variants. The regular S24 will have 1080p display, but now we are getting 1440, so that's fantastic. 4900 milliamp hour battery, just 100 milliamps less than the Ultra. So I think this is a great buy when it comes down to saving $300, guys. If you do not use that S Pen, I highly suggest going for the regular Plus variant. You definitely will not regret that. So as far as the camera goes, you get a 12 megapixel front facing camera. You can record all the way up to 4K 60 on that front facing camera, 8K 24 and 30 on the rear. Stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, tuned by AKG, Bluetooth 5.3 on this guy. Everything, 45 watt wired charging, 15 watt wireless charging, 4.5 watt reverse wireless charging on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. Let's go ahead and snap a couple pictures. And the shutter speed is actually quite nice on here, so that is freaking-tastic. No shutter lag. Finally on a Samsung device. Wait, whoa, what the hell? It just took a picture for me. Okay, that's just fine. Okay, whatever. But yeah, fantastic. Let's go ahead and go into some of the settings on here as far as the storage goes. So going to device care and storage. This is the 512 gigabyte variant. So we got 26.3 gigabytes being used, 5% out of that 512, and I haven't even installed any apps yet on here, so that will go up obviously. And taking a look at some of the other stuff, going into the display to check that refresh rate and brightness. It is set to adaptive brightness, but this thing can get super duper bright on here, so we're going to tone that down just a little bit. Motion smoothness, it's set on adaptive, so it's going to scroll down from 1 Hz all the way up to 120 Hz. And adaptive tone color, sort of like your True Tone for iPhones. You got it right here on the Samsung. And we're going to keep that on Vivid just to keep everything nice. Here we go. So out of the box, it is going to be set to Full HD. You're going to want to set that to QHD and hit apply. Don't forget to do that. And set my timer or timeout to 5 minutes, just what I like to do. Navigation bar, get rid of these and go to the gesture. Now you cannot hide this nav bar at the bottom apparently now, just because it has circle to search option on there. You need that for that circle to search option in order to have it on there, and you could actually search for crap on here, so that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and try that circle to search. Okay, continue, blah blah blah. So if we hold down on here, we could try it. Let's go ahead and circle that and see what it brings up, and it brings up the Honor Magic. So that is one of the AI features that is on here. There are plenty more, but you know what, I'm kind of tired of talking about AI. I'm tired of everybody else talking about AI for these devices, and I just want to focus on the actual device itself, the hardware, the beauty of it. The AI stuff, you'll only get an idea for that when you use it yourself in everyday situations. Not right now. Everybody's talking about it. I'm sick of it. But yeah, that's one of the cool AI features, is going to be the circle to search. You also get translation modes on here. You get photo editing stuff, sort of like you get on the Google Pixel 8 series. So that's pretty cool. And here is a quick comparison between the regular Google Pixel 8 and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, that we get an idea of the size of this device. Go ahead and take a look at these cases, shall we? So first and foremost, we got the vegan leather case right here. And let's go ahead and crack this open, shall we, with some knife. There is some tape on here. And let's take a look at the vegan leather. Now, all of this did come with the credit from Samsung that I was able to use. And here is the leather case, looking very leathery and feeling very nice. You get a nice suede on the inside, so that's fantastic. Let's take this sticker off and let's see how it looks on the actual device. So there we go for the leather look. Some nice protection for the cameras. And going on over to the display, a little bit of a lip going around the actual display. And we now get a flat display, obviously. And let's go ahead and open that up. So yeah, feeling very nice. The buttons are going to be made out of shiny plastic, and all your cutouts are cut out just fine at the bottom, and for your microphones up top, flash, and etc. So looking very nice with this vegan leather. I'm probably going to be using this one a lot. Put that aside. And now let's do the standing grip case. Again, another official one from Samsung. Now this one does have a strap at the back, which also doubles as a stander on here. So push down, strap until it is secured. And here is this case. So very nicely done. Made out of a lot of recycled stuff on here. Very nice, soft to the touch. You do get your Samsung logo right there at the bottom. And let's go ahead and try this on for size. Oh, this one actually feels very nice. And here is that strap on the side, which you can't even tell is on there. But if you want to use it, you can snap this down and have this as to hold your finger on here. So that's fantastic. And you could also use it as a stand any which way you want. You could use it, you can't really use it that way, but you can use it this way and this way to get a better angle on there for this case. And if you want to just snap it back up, and it snaps out of the way just like so. And here is the camera protection. Very nice buttons. Here's the bottom cutouts, looking really good. Some nice screen protection on here too, a nice raised lip going around the edges, and top for those microphones. So yeah, very nice cases. I also do get I got a couple of screen protectors as well that are anti-reflective. I probably will do another video on that just to show you guys on that. So that is my first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and this thing is absolutely gorgeous. Very, very nice. If you guys want more content, be sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on more future videos of this guy. And remember, I still have a regular S24 coming soon. Hopefully within the next couple of days I will be doing a video on that as well. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time here on the channel. Peace.